I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding funds to your Wise balance is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Open the Wise app or website and log in with your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number linked to your account for verification. Step 2. Navigate to the Add Funds section. Once logged in, look for the Add Funds option in the main menu. This is usually found under the Balances tab. Step 3. Select your currency. Choose the currency you want to add funds in. Wise supports multiple currencies, so pick the one that matches your needs. Step 4. Choose your payment method. You will be prompted to select how you want to add funds. Options typically include bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Be aware that some methods may incur fees. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. Review the details of your transaction and confirm. You might receive a confirmation email or notification once the funds are added. If you are using a bank transfer, remember it might take a few days to reflect in your account. I hope this helps you easily add funds to your Wise balance. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.